How to delete the YouTube app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete the YouTube app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are different ways you can delete the YouTube app on your iPhone. The first is just find the YouTube logo and long press on it. After you do that, you'll see the remove app option. Tap on it and you'll see the delete app option. Tap on the delete app to delete your YouTube app. The other way is you can head over to your settings, scroll down all the way till you find the apps option, tap on it, or what you can do is you can head over to general and there you should see iPhone storage. After you tap on that, you will see the list of your apps, the same that you would have, and there you'll find the YouTube. Tap on YouTube and there you'll find the delete app option. Tap on delete and tap on delete app to finally delete your YouTube app. And that is how you can delete your YouTube app on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.